The logical thing to do is to start on the outside, so that's what I'll do. It has our click fit flue pipework arrangement. We've adopted a more universal pipework arrangement this time. Broken down, it's flow, hot, gas, cold, return. External Schrader valve, so it's easy to check and repressurize your expansion vessel. External drain off tap on the bottom of the boiler here. So the outside of the boiler, that's about it. The boiler can, just move the way down, and I'll take the side panel off. Now the boiler can be serviced completely from the front, 8-litre expansion vessel. Now that's enough for a system, about 74 litres of system volume. So our stainless steel heat exchanger, the one we introduced with much of the Vision Plus range and the Unica Max range. We have, it looks like our standard condensate trap, but there's a new design bore and there's a new design seating, so it's non-stick. So with pressure transducer, diverter valve, standard pneumatic gas valve, Riello Taco pump.
We're getting a lot of questions, David.
Good.
You're going to be here for a while. It's
Good.
great and great.
Good,
It's great
good.
too. Thanks very much for your questions so far.
Actually, while we're here, something I forgot to mention, Aaron, we have got easy access to the flue and the air point ports here. So you don't have to go in at an angle to get the probe for flue gas analysis. One screw, take the plug out, and you can access the
We actually also had a nice shot of the Schrader valve then, because we couldn't
oh,
see
sorry,
it
yeah,
before.
let's go back up and have a look at
Yeah.
the Schrader valve. I forgot to mention. So here we have the
Yeah.
Schrader valves. So back to the display, digital display. If the Wi-Fi is connected, obviously you'll see this. Hot under normal conditions, hot water temperature here, heating temperature adjustment here, or if you're using dual weather compensation, that would be your internal nominal temperature adjustment. Mode, so at the one, this is standby. One press brings you on to domestic hot water. Second press brings you hot water and heat. This is our reset button. So if the boiler locks out, you could reset here. This button here is the info button. A quick press on that will bring up boiler information such as flow temperature, return temperature, flue temperature, ionization current, any alarms, etc. That's with a brief press on that button. A press and hold for 2 seconds will enable you to change some of the boiler user parameters. Not many, but the user, there's no password protection on the user parameters. A second 2-second hold press on that button will request a password. Then we can range rate the boiler. We can enable weather compensation. We can enable open therm. We can change the boiler performance quite markedly.